Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share with you how I make mushroom and onion ramen noodles. Here I have about 6 mushrooms, and I took a damp paper towel and wiped it gently across the top and the sides of the mushrooms to remove any dirt or grime that you usually find on mushrooms. So now I'm going to take each mushroom and slice it into medium or small slices. You could use more if you'd like. This onion I have is a medium-sized onion, and I'm going to dice it into small pieces. Then set those aside with your mushrooms. Now we can get the eggs going. 7 to 10 minutes should be enough. Okay, in your pot, add your avocado oil, your onions, and your mushrooms. Add half pack of your noodle seasoning, your salt and pepper. Make sure your pot's on medium high, y'all. Next, we're going to add the toasted sesame oil, and next our green onions. Between adding ingredients, make sure you stir so it won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Now add your onion and your garlic powder. Now add 2 cups of chicken broth. Now it's going to steam a little bit, but don't worry, that's seasonings and goodness coming from the bottom of the pot. Now take 2 packs of noodles and drop those in the pot along with the rest of the seasoning and a cup of water. At this point, you're going to keep stirring the bottom of your pot until you get the consistency that you like for your noodles. And last, I'm sprinkling red pepper and sesame seeds. And there you have it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you'll subscribe. See you later.